Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how to calculate the UPS size for a project. So let's start the video. This is a ready format where we will calculate what kind of battery banks and what size of UPS we will need for our project. Before starting this, let's explain on this format. This is a ready format with all formulas ready so that you can use it for your further use. Also, I will provide this link in the description so that you can use it. Uh, Here, this project name, you can add your project name over here. This is the architect name, and here the electrical consultant. You can add your always add your number and name over here, and here the logo stands for. Here the revision and the date, and here starts the calculation part. First is workstation. Basically, workstation is the computers you use in office areas. We call it a workstation. Suppose if we have 50 workstations over here and the unit load consumption is 150 watt, we will enter here 150 so that we will get the total connected load is 7.5 kilowatt. If you have some machines computers that consumes more than 150 watt, suppose there are some machines consumes 200 watt. Before entering the data, let's confirm it from your center so that you can add it. Suppose there are 5 machines of 200 watt. Suppose there are printers, 5 printers are there, each consuming 150 watt. And normally there are small printers consumes 120 to 150 watt each. In Saposet we have taken it to 150. But some big printers like we call it plotter, they consume more than 150 watt. 50 watt. If you have equipments, do confirm before starting the data sheet and enter like that. Then comes the server load. Suppose there is one server and the server is consuming 2500 watt. For assumption, we are taking as 2500 watt, so that the total load is 2.5 kilowatt, and the total load means it's the connected load. Here we are not calculating the demand load. This is on connected load. The next is the more important thing over here is UPS is never calculated on kilowatt. UPS is always on kVA or VA, volt ampere or kilovolt ampere or MVA. MVA normally UPS doesn't go to MVA rating. It's VA or kVA, up to the it goes. kVA is nothing but it's the kilowatt upon the power factor we have in the system. That is kVA. Like you see over here, kVA rating equal to kilowatt divided by power factor. In normal case, in India, we consider power factor is 80% or zero point 0.8, so that we get the it's as a 14.69 kVA. As you see in the formula, it's F18 equal to F bracket F18 equal to digit comma digit, or if not, F18 divided by E23. This is F18 and this is E23. 11.75 divided upon 80% comes to 14.69 kVA. This is the actual kVA rating of UPS we need over here, but no equipment runs on 100% load. Normally we put the load as varying from say 80 to 85, 90% maximum. In a safer side, we are considering the load factor is 80%. This is the load factor. Actually, load factor, diversity factor all mean one thing. Mhm. Here we calculate what load we give to a system. In diversity factor, in that way we calculate how many percentage of load we are freeing from the system. So in since we calculating 80% over here, this is the UPS requirement of 18.36 kVA. If as you see in this formula, it's Again 14.69 kVA, open 80% as in load factor, so that again you see it over here. F23, open E25, this is E25, equal to, we get here over, it's 18.36 kVA. So that let's consider is at 19 kVA requirement. But in the market we don't get 19 kVA UPS for our use. It's not a customized one. In the market, UPS is only available as per the specified size. We are, if as we need, we have to make it a bank, or in small sizes we get the single battery also. If it's 19 kVA in market, we don't get 19 kVA UPS. By default we have to go for 20 kVA UPS. In that case, we will have 1 kVA UPS backup extras in future. If we need some load, we can load it 1 kVA extra, that is around zero point 0.8 kilowatt load can go extra. So in market I think 20 kVA UPS is available. So here we will and select one number of 20 kVA UPS for 100% load. That's it. If we don't get a 20 kVA bank single, then we can write over here it's two number of 10 kVA battery bank for a 100% use. So that's it for UPS calculation. I think you must have some clarity on this. If you have some queries or any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section below, so that I can go through and revert to you on that. Then for now, signing off. Bye bye. See you in next video.